The way I like to clean my brushes, my wife might not be happy. She might be listening, but I'm gonna use the kitchen sink, or I'll use the hose outside. But just give it a good rinse. Get as much of that paint out as you can, and then just your basic a good dish soap detergent will help you clean that brush and
rubbing it through with your hands,
through your finger, work it through your fingers,
destroying the grain of the.
Yeah, a lot of times you'll see people using a wire brush on it. You're just gonna tear up your brush. It's not gonna last you as long. If you're using your brush, you don't let it dry with the paint in it. If you clean it as soon as you're done, the brush will last you. But just using warm soapy water and spend 5 minutes cleaning it real good, that brush will last you.
And then once you've got the paint out of it, how do you store it?
I will typically keep the little cardboard carton that it comes in.
Absolutely.
And reuse that. It helps keep the shape. It doesn't let the bristles fur out, and it'll help you last. If you don't have that anymore, wrapping it up in paper towel, put a piece of tape around it. Again, it keeps the shape of the brush.
I'll just use the masking machine. I'll just rip off 3 inches of the masking
wrap
paper
it up in the plastic
and wrap it up to match the shape of the brush. Careful not to upset the
Right.
lay of the bristles.
Right.
And then tape it off, and she's done.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.